Here's a delightful and healthy Weight Watchers friendly lunch recipe: grilled chicken and quinoa salad with lemon vinaigrette. Grilled chicken and quinoa salad with lemon vinaigrette. Ingredients. For the salad: 1 cup quinoa, rinsed. 2 cups water. 3 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 4 salt and black pepper to taste. 5 1 tablespoon olive oil. 6 4 cups mixed salad greens, spinach, arugula, or your choice. 7 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 8 1 cucumber, diced. 9 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced. 10 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, optional. For the lemon vinaigrette: 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1 clove garlic, minced. 5 salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. Cook quinoa. 1. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. 1. Add the rinsed quinoa, reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15–20 minutes, or until the quinoa is cooked and water is absorbed. 1. Fluff with a fork and let it cool. Grilled chicken. 1. Season chicken breasts with salt and black pepper. 1. Heat olive oil in a grill pan or outdoor grill. 1. Grill the chicken for 5–7 minutes per side or until fully cooked. 1. Let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. Prepare salad ingredients. 1. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, mixed salad greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and feta cheese. Make lemon vinaigrette. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, salt, and black pepper. Assemble salad. 1. Add the grilled and sliced chicken to the salad. 1. Drizzle the lemon vinaigrette over the salad and toss gently to combine. Serve. 1. Divide the salad among serving plates. 1. Optionally, sprinkle additional feta cheese on top. Enjoy. 1. Enjoy this grilled chicken and quinoa salad with lemon vinaigrette as a light and satisfying Weight Watchers friendly lunch. This salad is not only delicious but also packed with protein and wholesome ingredients. Adjust portion sizes according to your dietary needs and Weight Watchers plan.